Hello, and welcome to the Capti Assignments tutorial video. In this video, we will be reviewing the Assignments feature, creating an assignment, and assigning it to a student. Capti Assignments are a great way to provide remote, digitized assignments in a secure browsing environment while maintaining compliance with IEP and Section 504 requirements. Let's begin by creating a Capti assignment. There are two ways that you can do this. The first option is to use the Capti Quick Start tab and click New Assignment. A Capti assignment wizard will appear. You can also create a new assignment by clicking New Assignment in the Assignments tab. All assignments can be viewed and edited from this tab. Let's create a homework assignment. When the Assignment wizard appears, you have several options to choose from. First, decide which type of assignment you want this to be. Reading, exercise, and homework, by default, provide all active accommodations to the students selected. Quizzes and tests, by default, provide no active accommodations to the students selected. You can change these settings per student or per assignment as desired. Once you have selected the type of assignment, name your assignment something appropriate. For this assignment, we'll be naming it Susan B. Anthony Homework Worksheet. This is what the students selected for the assignments will see when they log in. You have the option to select a time limit for your assignment. You can also type in directions for your students in the Directions area at the bottom. Once you are satisfied with your assignment options, click Create. The next wizard dialog will appear where you can add content to your assignment, select which students you want to share the assignment with, edit the accommodations in effect for this assignment, and schedule the assignment. When you select Content, a new browser window will open to the Capti Library tab. You can add a track or tracks to the assignment by clicking the plus track button on the screen. For this assignment, I'm going to add a Susan B. Anthony homework PDF from my computer. When you are happy with the content you have added to the assignment, click Done at the top right of the screen. Let's now select the students we want to share this assignment with. You can share it with all students, select individual students, use the search bar to find students, or the drop-down menu to filter the students by class or group. Once you have selected the students you want, close the sharing window. The Accommodations tab is how you can set which accommodations will be available for this assignment. Since this is a homework assignment, each student will have access to their default accommodations. You can adjust the accommodations available by clicking the three dots next to each active accommodation. If you want to change the default accommodations for your students in order to properly match their IEP, you can do this from this wizard by clicking on an accommodation, selecting a student from the menu, adjusting accommodations accordingly, and then clicking Actions and saving it as student defaults so that you don't need to repeat this process next time. Please take time to review the accommodations available in Capti. As previously stated, if you have selected a reading, exercise, or homework assignment, the student default accommodations will be active. If you select a quiz or a test assignment, the accommodations will be turned off. For example, this assignment, a homework assignment, has all of Diego's accommodations turned on, including text-to-speech and translations of full passages. Diego is a native Spanish speaker, And when he is given an assignment to test his English, his teachers make sure to create a quiz or test assignment. That way, Diego cannot actively translate full passages during the assignment. You can make exceptions for this assignment or edit each accommodation as desired by pressing the three dots button next to each accommodation. Once you are happy with the selected accommodations for the assignment, click Close. Finally, Capti allows you to schedule your assignments. If you select Assigned For and enter in the information, the assignment will be active in the system, but students will not be able to see or access the assignment until the entered time. If you select Due On and enter in the information, students will be able to see that they need to complete the assignment by the entered date and time. Scheduling is entirely optional and is not required. When you are happy with your selections, press Launch Now to immediately assign it to students, or press Save Draft to edit your assignment, add more proctors, and launch the assignment later. I am going to save this assignment as a draft and add another teacher to the assignment. The teacher I add will be able to monitor students' progress actively. Let's view this assignment in the list of assignments. This list is how you can easily manage all assignments in your Capti account. Click on an assignment to view more information. You can see that assignments have different statuses depending on whether or not they are available to students. Assignments that are in preparation are currently being prepared as a draft and are not available to students. Assignments that are launched are available to students. Let's go into our Susan B. Anthony assignment, launch the assignment, and share it via Google Classroom to our students. Click on the Launch button to make this assignment available to students. Click on the Share Link button to create an easy-to-access link to this assignment. Copy a link and paste it via email to your students, or share it via Google Classroom. Select which class and what type of item this is, and click Assign. Your students will now be able to access this assignment directly from their Google Classroom accounts. Let's flip over to a student's view and see what the assignment looks like for them. The students will see assignments when they first log in. All the student needs to do is click on the assignment and then press Start. Once the student is working on the assignment, you can monitor their progress in the track by using the Students tab. Let's switch back to a teacher view and review the Students tab. As you can see, Diego is working on the homework assignment we created. When he is finished, his icon will say Done with a check mark and 100% displayed. Once all students have completed the assignment, you can archive the assignment by clicking on it again in the Assignments tab and going to More Actions. If you are unhappy with your student's work, you can reset the assignment as well as the other options listed. Once archived, the assignment will be listed in the Completed tab instead of the Active tab. Finally, you can filter the list of assignments with the drop-down menu above. Thank you for watching this tutorial.